Welcome to a look at the open source projects that are pushing boundaries and making coding genuinely exciting again. We are diving deep past the monotony of template apps and AI wrappers to find the projects built purely out of creative passion. Lately, our tech feeds have been clogged with the same repetitive, easily generated content. It seems like every new repository is just another AI agent reviewing AI pull requests over a basic template app. If you see one more wrapper, you're going to throw your laptop into the ocean. It's time for some real, inventive software. But don't despair. Beneath all the hype, human beings are still building truly unhinged, beautiful, and deeply unnecessary software. We're talking about the kind of code that makes you remember why you started coding in the first place. These projects are creative, innovative, and frankly, a breath of fresh air from the status quo. Let's dive right into our list of 10 rogue open source projects that are making coding fun again. Welcome back. It's time for Act 2 of the Open Source Countdown, where we explore the most innovative and boundary-pushing projects in the tech world. This act is dedicated to the projects that defy convention, merging creativity, functionality, and often a touch of pure eccentricity. Get ready for a deep dive into 5 more groundbreaking open source projects you need to see to believe. Starting us off at number 1 is Ratty, a terminal engine that completely reinvents the command line experience. Ratty is written in Rust and ditches flat text for a fully GPU-accelerated 3D environment using the Bevy game engine. The best part? Your cursor is a low-poly, rotating 3D rat. It's hilariously over-engineered for maximum fun. Hit a shortcut and your terminal tilts in a 3D viewport, like a retro console space game. Yes, it hogs 300 megabytes of RAM just to print a directory, but it's worth every single byte. Next up is Terminal Phone. Imagine you're deep in configuration files and need to take a call. Instead of reaching for your smartphone, this utility lets you dial out right from your bash shell. This is a zero-server, push-to-talk encrypted voice app running entirely over Tor as a shell script. Your identity is an ephemeral onion address. It's the ultimate 90s privacy dream, designed for maximum security and anonymity. Our third project is Adblocker Reality, a creative browser extension that completely changes how you view online advertising. Ever see that old sci-fi movie where special sunglasses reveal hidden alien propaganda? This tool turns that exact concept into a browser extension. Instead of hiding ad spaces, this tool swaps them with bold, dystopian text commands like OBAY or consume. It converts casual web browsing into a retro sci-fi horror film. At number 4 is Oxide, tackling one of the biggest challenges in high-performance computing. Writing native GPU code usually means dealing with complex C++ kernels, where one wrong pointer can permanently lock up an expensive enterprise server cluster. Released quietly into open source, CUDA Oxide lets you compile native hardware kernels directly out of pure Rust, without a fragile C++ wrapper pipeline. Our final project for Act 2 is Wario Synth, a fantastic tool for musicians and retro enthusiasts. Want to turn any modern track into a classic game soundtrack? Wario Synth breaks down songs into nostalgic chiptunes, perfect for an 8-bit makeover. This tool runs entirely inside your browser, leveraging client-side web audio API nodes without needing any external servers. And that concludes Act 2 of our open source countdown. We've covered everything from 3D terminals to dystopian ad blockers. Showcase, where we explore 4 truly innovative web and technology demos, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with minimal footprints. These projects demonstrate advanced functionalities, from retro sound synthesis to embedded backend utilities, all built on smart, efficient principles. First up is a deep dive into retro audio. Project 6 focuses on synthesizing authentic vintage digital sound. It uses dual pulse streams and a native noise generator to replicate authentic 1989 sound processing limits inside your browser. Crucially, this synthesis is done with zero server rendering, working purely inside the browser using primitive square wave constraints. Shifting gears to documents, Project 6, Jmail, organizes leaked historical public data and legal filings into an interactive simulated email client. This approach offers a unique, retro front-end styling for document data management, making complex data accessible. It parses thousands of text transcripts into a searchable database and node map, letting you visually trace connections across public court evidence records. Next, Project 7, Exipedia asks, what if social media doomscrolling was actually good for your brain? This app reformats the entirety of Wikipedia into a short-form vertical feed, optimizing knowledge consumption for mobile habits. It caches a compact encyclopedia archive straight to your client, giving you an endless, algorithm-free stream of human knowledge that runs entirely offline. Project 8, Pewtor, tackles the need for a lightweight virtual workstation accessible from a simple web link. This project builds a complete windowed desktop using simple web components, sandboxing system state, entirely within the front-end application. It packs a text pad, code editor, file explorer, and terminal utilities into an open sandbox, giving you cloud-like workspace freedom without any data harvesting. Finally, for back-end developers, Project 9 Honker addresses the issue of deploying massive external key clusters for tiny side projects. This system adds event pub sub powers directly into SQLite, meaning you can stop deploying those oversized clusters. Written in Rust, this extension embeds background workers, notification listeners, and cron schedulers straight inside your local database file, eliminating the need for massive orchestration clusters. These 4 projects showcase how sophisticated functionality can be delivered with smart, localized technology, reducing complexity and server reliance. Up our dive into some of the most unique open source projects. It's time for our final segment, a quick look back at the innovative projects we covered today. We saw everything from playful terminal enhancements to serious, lightweight database files. This quick visual review highlights the diversity and creativity thriving within the open source community. This is a testament to the power of community-driven innovation. It's truly inspiring. From 3D terminal wraps to lightweight database files doing the heavy lifting locally, open source engineers are keeping software development weird and brilliant. That brings us to the end of this episode of the Codebase Report. The screen fades out to a clean, dark layout with the text, Codebase Report, offline. Keep an eye out for our slick, minimalist, geometric tech outro graphic, the professional sign-off for our channel. Go explore these repositories, build something beautifully unnecessary this weekend, and keep coding. See you in the next breakdown.